Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this look. I'm using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Palette. I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you guys do too. So if you are interested in seeing how to create this look, then just keep watching. Firstly, I am grabbing the shade Love from the palette and I'm going to be taking it on Morphe E23 brush to really kind of fluffy brush. Any fluffy brush that you've got will do. Just buffing this into the crease. I am blowing it out quite far, as you can see, right out to my tape line, and I am blending it quite far up towards my brow bone as well. Next up, we're going to go in with the shade Passion, and I'm deepening up the outer V. This is using a Morphe MB18 brush. I'm really focusing on packing that color right into that outer V so we get that really densely packed pigment on the outer corner, and then blending it in throughout the crease here. This will really help to create a nice cut when we do go in and cut the crease. I am just blending everything out a little bit with the E25 brush from Sigma just to make sure there's no harsh lines and that Love and Passion blend seamlessly into each other. Next up, I'm going to be cutting the crease. I've just taken a little bit of my foundation and I'm using it with a Morphe E19 brush, just cutting the crease as I usually would. I like to use a really nicely pigmented foundation or concealer, something that dries relatively quickly, so it means that I don't get too much creasing happening on the lid. I am just slightly blending out the outer corners in with Passion as well with my finger, just to make sure there's not a super harsh line between concealer and the shadow. Next up, I'm taking the shade Wild Child and I'm taking it on a Zoeva 234 brush, just packing that all over the lid. I have spritzed my brush a little bit with MAC Fix Plus, but just patting that all over the lid. And then we're going to go in the shade Rose Gold and I'm just kind of tapping that where Wild Child kind of fades into the concealer and using it as a transition shade between Wild Child and Passion. And I'm absolutely obsessed with the shade Rose Gold. It is stunning. But then we're going to move back on to Passion. I'm going to continue to deepen up that outer V because I feel like we just lost a little bit of the intensity with the Rose Gold shade. I am also taking a little winged liner brush just with a little bit of Passion as well. This will really just help to define the crease. Then we're going in with the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. I am using the shade Kitten Karma and I'm just taking an angled liner brush. This one is from Zoeva. And I'm just going to be tracing that kind of cut line between our lid shades and also our crease with a little bit of glitter. Then I'm just going to complete my face, which I've done off camera, just my normal foundation base routine. I have also applied some winged liner and lashes. The lashes are the style Queen Bee from Koko lashes. Then I've applied gel liner from Sigma. This is in shade Wicked, and I've used the Sigma E06 brush to create the wing, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, guys. You need this brush in your life if you want to do wing liner. It's the bomb. Moving on to contouring, I'm using the lighter shade from the Kat Von D Shade and Lights palette on a Morphe R14 brush. I'm going to move on to bronzing and I'm just taking the middle shade from that same palette on a Morphe, this is an R1 brush, and I'm just going to be placing that kind of along my cheekbones, forehead, and also down my neck as well to add a little bit of color and just to make sure that we're all staying one color, which can be a hard job if you're pale like me. Next up, it's time to highlight. I'm taking the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, the shade Gumdrop, on a Morphe E61 brush, and I'm just highlighting my cheekbones with that. And then just to top off the highlight, I'm using a mixture of the purple and the pink Opal shade from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette just to highlight my face, as well as highlighting my inner corners and my brow bones. I feel like the pink really tied in with the pink eyes that we've got going. Then I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm using the Manicadar Step 3 blush and highlighter kind of combination is in the shade Blossom, and I'm just using that to blush up my cheeks. Then we're going to finish off the rest of our face. I'm going to be taking the shade Love just on a Sigma E25 brush, and I'm just really buffing this along that lower lash line. I just feel like it really adds to the smoky and like grunginess of the look, so I blended that quite far down underneath my eyes. I'm going to deepen it up using the shade Passion, and I'm just going on a flat definer brush and I'm really stamping this along the lower lash line to create some definition, and then just blending it out with a small pencil brush. Then we're going to line the lower waterline with a nude pencil. This one's just from Rimmel, you guys know I love it. And then I'm applying some bottom lash mascara, which will really work to open up the eyes. And then for lips, I'm using this new Super Stay liquid lipstick from Maybelline. I haven't tried this one before and I'm like in love with the shade. It's the perfect nude shade, and it's actually really comfortable on the lips as well. And then I'm just taking my lip gloss. This is one of the Rimmel Oh My Gloss lip glosses, and popping that over the top. And then guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big like, thumbs up, subscribe if you are new so don't miss out on any of my new videos. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.